के लिए और एक
combination. Hey, that's what I mean.
Let's make some noise for Aminder Bish!
अमिंदर सिंह बिष्ट उत्तराखंड के हैं, बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग प्रोस्पेक्ट हैं अमिंदर बिष्ट और इनकी पहली फाइट में हमें पता लग गया था that this guy can actually kick, box, strike and sweep his opponents. बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने अर्जुन, बहुत ही मुश्किल और बहुत ही चुनौतीपूर्वक होगा उनके लिए ये बाउट.
And his opponent, Arsenba Ozuku.
Proudly representing the state of Nagaland, Arsenba Uzukum. But after that, I think he's had an excellent camp for this fight.
The fact that he's got a specialty. His leg kicks are his main weapon. There's two mindsets. We've seen the greatest of fighters come back either strong with a positive mindset or that injury affects them for the rest of their life. We're going to find out. Let's go inside the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed at 56.70 kilograms, representing Uttarakhand, Aminder Bish. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 56.70 kilograms, representing Nagaland, Arsenba Ozukum. Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Ranjit.
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, back to your corners.
Very evenly sized up contenders as we get ready for fight number one in the flyweight division between both these warriors. Welcome to Matrix Fight Night 14, ladies and gentlemen. Proudly brought to you by the Shroff family.
चलिए हम चलते हैं पहली फाइट की तरफ, जो कि है अमिंदर बिष्ट ब्लू कॉर्नर में और इनके विपक्ष में है अरसेनबा उजुकुम रेड कॉर्नर में.
Final instructions by referee Ranjit, checking on the judges as we get ready. Arsenba in the green trunks and Bisht in the white.
अर्जुन, जैसा कि हमने बोला था, Arsenba has vicious kicks and he starts the bout with a kick.
It's interesting to see how quickly Arsenba takes the center of the cage and pushes his opponent back. He's trying to avoid him from any movement, and if Bisht wants to get off the cage, he needs to start circling away from that right leg kick, the power of Arsenba. But a wide stance immediately, there you go. See, we talked about strategy. He's already got a plan. Take the kick and look for the counter.
दोनों ही फाइटर्स डिस्टेंस असेस करते हुए, और जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया, अरसेनबा के किक्स बहुत ही जहरीली, बहुत ही विशियस हैं, और जैसे ही अरसेनबा ने किक थ्रो की, तभी अमिंदर ने एक राइट काउंटर दिया. सो आई थिंक अर्जुन, दैट्स द स्ट्रेटजी दैट अमिंदर ब्रिंग्स इन टुनाइट, दैट द मोमेंट ही गेट्स हिट विद द किक, ही इज गोना स्टिंग बैक विद अ मेजर काउंटर.
I wish, one thing that you see from a lot of advanced fighters and professional fighters as they start progressing further and further up the ladder is that they throw a lot of feints. You're not seeing a lot of feints, you're seeing direct strikes, so he's getting an immediate reaction. It would be better if both fighters started throwing feints to see how they would react and then possibly throw a strike at the time when they don't expect it.
बिल्कुल अर्जुन, दोनों को फेंट्स थ्रो करने चाहिए और उसके हिसाब से एकदम से डिस्टेंस क्लोज करके डेविस्टेटिंग शॉट्स लैंड करने चाहिए. पर यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि दोनों ही फाइटर्स अभी कोशिश कर रहे हैं एंगेज होने के लिए, कोशिश कर रहे हैं रेंज असेस करने के लिए. और एक और बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही शानदार प्रदर्शन अमिंदर बिष्ट की तरफ से यहाँ पे.
Very nice shot, very nice body kick, but this is what we said, he paid the price because countered it, got the leg, got into the ground, and Aminder Bisht, training with Angad Bisht, who has a very solid top game, he's not going to let go of this position very easily. Good armbar attempt there a second ago by Arsenba, doing a good job moving on the ground. He's having, Bisht though having a little bit of trouble, needs to watch out for those up kicks. You see that? See how he turns the heel right into the body.
Arsenba बहुत अच्छे से ग्राउंड से डिफेंड कर रहे हैं अमिंदर बिष्ट को, और अमिंदर को यहाँ कोशिश यही करनी होगी किसी तरह से उनका ऊपर जाके उनका कंट्रोल लिया जाए. एंड यहाँ पे गार्ड में आ गए हैं अमिंदर बिष्ट. बहुत ही अच्छी स्ट्रेटजी अमिंदर द्वारा यहाँ पे.
You know when the public understands MMA is when people start cheering guard passes. And that is just amazing to see. I mean, the Indian public, when MMA began 14 years ago in this country, people didn't know anything, and now look at them. They know, they understand. Oh, wait, armbar attempt.
Oh,
But he's going to spike him on his head. Very nicely done.
बहुत ही अच्छा यहाँ पे आर्मबार अटेम्प्ट आर्सेनबा द्वारा, बट सफलता नहीं मिली। मात्र 2 मिनट और बचे हैं इस राउंड में। काफी अच्छा डिफेंड करते आ रहे हैं अरसेनबा राउंड के स्टार्टिंग से, पर आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं अमिंदर को ये पता था, ये अंदाजा था कि अरसेनबा उनको लेग किक मारेंगे, और वहीं पे उनके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी एक आई कि अमिंदर ने अरसेनबा को ग्राउंड पे लेके गए और वहां से तब कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं।
Asenba is doing a good job by trying to get those butterfly hooks in. But take a look at this. Now he's got an overhook on the right hand side. He's going to use that left hand to stand up, which he did precisely. And now he's going to look to turn him over. Watch how his hips move. But Aminder Bish doing a good job trying to split down. There you go. Turns out, circles out, and gets back to standing position.
दोनों ही fighters on their feet again.
Okay. Oh, very nicely done. Beautiful, thundering leg kick.
Vicious, as we say, vicious.
Beautiful, beautiful leg kick, and now he's in a position of advantage here, pushing. He's got an underhook, pushing Bisht against the cage and landing those short knees. I'm telling you, Rahul, those short knees. When I trained with one of these guys, those short knees don't look like much to the thigh, but believe me, aap kal subah chal nahi paoge. I guarantee you.
They do a lot of damage.
Yeah, the short shots, not only do they damage, but they also score points in the eyes of the judges because this is aggressive control.
Well, yes, we've got almost 23 seconds to go in this round. It's been an exciting fight between both these flyweights.
Both fighters setting up and establishing their dominance in this fight. Good start to the round by Aminder Bish, where he gets the spinning back kick attempt. That might not have felt good.
राउंड के कुछ आखिरी सेकंड्स में अरसेनबा अंदर घुस के trying to make it dirty.
Very nicely done in the first round. Both fighters putting on a great show for all these amazing fight fans at MFN 14.
24-25.
And it's only to be 24-25 again, huh? Big spin and a miss.
चलिए करते हैं दूसरे राउंड की शुरुआत। हमारे साथ अमिंदर बिष्ट हैं ब्लू कॉर्नर में, और रेड कॉर्नर में हैं अरसेनबा उजुकुम, जो कि नागालैंड से आते हैं।
Watch out for that leg kick now. I wish he sets it up with a strike though. If he sets up that jab, a 1-2 combination, hey, that's what I mean. That's what we just talked about. He cannot throw that leg kick without setting up the strikes because it's getting predictable. Because Bish now, you can see his stance is low. He's catching that kick every time it comes to him. I wish he'd set it up with a combination to mask the kick.
बहुत ही अच्छा फाइट आईक्यू दिखाया यहाँ अमिंदर ने। जैसे ही अरसेनबा ने किक फेंकी, अमिंदर ने उसको कैच किया and tried to take control of Arsенba.
Uzukum just needs to slow it down a little bit, circle around, because you can see Aminder Bish is looking to take this fight to the ground. Uzukum certainly has the speed and strength advantage while standing.
बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अपना होमवर्क करके आए हैं अमिंदर बिष्ट, और ये
huge right hand! What a counter! Catches him coming in and puts him to sleep.
बहुत ही शानदार नॉकआउट यहाँ पे अमिंदर बिष्ट का। और यहाँ पे उन्होंने देखा कि जब भी अरसेनबा किक फेंक रहे हैं, उनका जो राइट हैंड है, जो डिफेंस है, वो बिल्कुल भी ऑन पॉइंट नहीं था, and that's when he threw a counter and scored a knockout.
I'm telling you, every time you throw a leg kick, if you don't set it up with your hands, if you don't mask it, if you don't hide that leg kick, it becomes predictable. And Aminder Bish, he's training with one of the best fighters in the country. I'm sure he planned that counter, and that counter came. Could not be cleaner, Rahul. What a way to start this night. Take a look at the highlights here. We saw that early in the round. He caught the kick, and he started getting predictable. Again, that body kick, he caught him again, and he was about to plant him, but that was as clean as it gets. beautiful shot, and those follow-up hammer fists with his student, and you can see sportsmanship is such a big part of the sport. In fact, I would go as far as saying that this is the only sport in the world which has better sportsmanship than any other thing I've ever seen.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Ranjit called the stop to the fight after 1 minute and 13 seconds of round 2. For your winner,